Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show y'all how I am styling my hair. If you see my previous video, you know that I have cut and shaped my hair, so I'm just styling it. I'm just using some perm rods. I'm doing all purple perm rods. I was just going to do like a twist and curl, but I decided to do a braid and curl. It's not really that much of a difference for me, but that's just what I decided to do. So I applied a leave-in conditioner, and then I just went ahead and applied my foam, and then I braided my hair down a few times, and then I applied the perm rods. So with perm rods, you always want to make sure that your ends are nice and smooth on the perm rod, because if not, it's just going to mess up the whole look. So I'm making sure that my ends are nice and smooth, wrapping it around the perm rod, making sure it's all laid flat. And then I like to twirl it. So you could do it any direction you like. You could twirl it or just roll it up, whatever you prefer. And then just go ahead and snap it together and you are all set. Don't you hate when you put the perm rod on perfectly and then you get to this step and then it just snaps and breaks? Y'all, I was so pissed. It's so aggravating and it happens so often. But anyways, you just regroup and you go ahead and just finish the job. This is the end result, and I let it air dry overnight. Next morning, I just go ahead and coat my fingers with oil, and then I go ahead and take my perm rods out. I don't pull them out. I like to unravel them. So I just do it in the opposite direction that I rolled it in so that it comes out looking like this. It's never a good idea to just pull them out because they can get snagged on the perm rod, which can cause breakage and everything. So it's just best to unravel them just to be on the safe side. So once I am done taking out the perm rods, I put some more oil on my hands and I just put it all over my hair, and then I go ahead and begin the separating process. So I liked doing the braid and curl because it was super easy to separate the curls and I wasn't forcing the curls to be separated, which can cause more frizz. So you just want to be very gentle when doing this process. So I go ahead and I take apart the braid, and then each section of the braid, I just separate it even more where it naturally separates. And then I twirl the curl around my finger just to make sure that the ends will stay nice and curly. So this is what it's looking like so far, and I am actually in love with how my curls turned out, especially because I didn't do a lot of perm rods. So it still looks nice and full. So I want to go ahead and make my hair bigger. I want some more volume. So I am just using a pick, which I really haven't used in a long time because I usually use a blow dryer to help lift my roots, but I just didn't feel like doing that today. So I'm just taking a pick and just fluffing it out to where I want it to be bigger, but you want to make sure that you hold your curls and only put the pick through the actual root because you don't want to mess up your curls. And then I just fluff it out, play with my hair a little bit and shape it. And that is really it, y'all. I love how this looks. I love my new cut because it just gives me so much more volume. I love the shape. I love everything about it. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.